Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have in some new gear. It's from Ulanzi. This is a 20-watt LED light, so let's check it out. So anyways, you guys can probably tell there's a lot of equipment coming in and out lately. We've been reviewing and working on neat stuff, and we got some cool videos that are coming up. And I want to do this unboxing. This is the Ulanzi LE20, and it is the RGB also. So let's open the box and see what we got in there. So I just got this in the other day. I hadn't had a chance. As you can tell, this is the first time I'm opening it with you guys. So we'll all see what's in here at the same time. But years ago, I went to Louisiana, and I opened well, I didn't open it. I was working with a TV ministry, and started a photography department for them. So they had their own magazine, their own TV channel, all kinds of stuff. I guess I had been doing, this is about 2011, so I had been doing photography about close to 30 years or so, give or take. And one of the videographers came up to me, and he had been doing videography for as long as I've been doing photography. And he asked me, he said, how come you guys use strobes and flashes, and why don't you use LED lights? Because you can see the LED light. It's constant light. You don't have to worry about your shadows and stuff because you can see it before you take the picture, compared to using a flash where you just get that quick burst and you can't tell. And, well, you can now with the modern cameras. You can look at it in the back. But back in the days, you didn't know until you got your pictures back. But even in 2011, we could see the picture on the back. But anyway, me and him discussed it, and it got me thinking, why don't we as photographers, and maybe some of you guys do, maybe it's just me being slow jumping on the train on this, why don't we use more LED lights? Because they are very cheap nowadays. They're very small, and so with that said, it got me going to try out some of the LED stuff. And I've got the big umbrellas. These are big Godox lights that shining on me here, and you can work your way down even to smaller LED lights like this Ulanzi ASD30 40 watt. Compared to the size, now that I just opened the box, of course this is my LED light in there, and you can see the difference in size. Huge difference in size. So, and I looked at this as being a small LED light when I first got it. But anyway, this is what was in our box. There's our little LED in there. And we have 20 watts, and we should be able to turn this on. Hopefully there's some battery power left on it. There's a little panel back here, right under my finger, if you can see that, that tells you the percentage everything's at and what. So that's pretty bright. That's 20 watts. Now, this fits in your pocket. I mean, if this shirt had a pocket, it would fit in there, but this will fit right into your pocket. It's small. It weighs practically nothing. Let me turn it off for a minute. Anyway, the other stuff we got in the box, we have this, so we can set that in a cold shoe and mount it on top. So if you can see the bottom of this, they've got a spot already made where you can put this. So we're just going to slide it right in there, tighten it up. There we go. Now we can put it into any cold shoe, either on a camera cage or anything that you've got where you can put a cold shoe. And let's see, I was thinking maybe, okay, here we go. Here's what I'm missing. Here's the diffuser that it comes with, and you can put that just right over. It's all magnetic. It just goes right on. Fits pretty good. Jumps right on. So there's the magnetic. Here's my charging cable, and there's a wrench, so you can tighten it down. So charging cable, diffuser, LED light. Now this LED light is pretty small. That was the whole reason I got it, is I wanted something that would fit in my pocket, because I have a few videos coming up that I want to use this to show you guys. So I want to do a little comparing to regular strobes versus some LED lights. And I thought, when I saw this, I think it's like $49 at Ulanzi. And Ulanzi's a great company. They're an affiliate of ours. I really like. They put out a lot of cool stuff. If you're ever bored, go to ulanzi.com and just check out all the cool gear that they make. They make some really cool stuff. I'm looking forward to getting this out and using it, and making that video for you guys where we're comparing LED to strobes. We will talk about the difference. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, open the box. Not a lot in there, just what I expected. Got the LED light, got the diffuser. That magnet's pretty good. That's only pretty good. So anyway, All right, guys. Well, it's a short video today. I just wanted to show you guys this Ulanzi LE20 light that we got for $49.95 from Ulanzi. I'll leave a link down at the bottom if you're interested in one. We are an affiliate of theirs, so if you do buy one, we do get a small commission, but it helps us keep our channel going. So if you guys have any questions about an LED light or this particular LED light, just leave a comment down below and we will get back to you. If we're helping you guys out, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day.